Hello kids! Today we will practice sight words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. I see the green tree. Again, I see the green tree. Your turn. Very good. I like the blue sky. Again, I like the blue sky. Your turn. Very good. I see birds flying high. Again, I see birds flying high. Your turn. Very good. Ant. A-N-D. Ant. The tree and flowers bloom. Again, the tree and flowers bloom. Your turn. Very good. The sun and clouds shine bright. Again, the sun and clouds shine bright. Your turn. Very good. The dog and cat play. Again, the dog and cat play. Your turn. Very good. See. S-E-E. See. Do you see the stars? Again. Do you see the stars? Your turn. Very good. See the fish in water. Again. See the fish in water. Your turn. Very good. I see a yellow flower. Again. I see a yellow flower. Your turn. Very good. Are you ready to answer some questions? Question 1. Can you spell and AND, BUT or SEE? And the right answer is AND, and you get a star. Question 2. Can you spell CAND, BUT or SEE? And the right answer is SEE, C. And you get 2 stars, 1 and 2. Congratulations! Your reading is improving, and practice will make you better every day. So keep reading, subscribe on Teaching Mumma, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.